It's almost midnight on Saturday, and Avery got his new Spirit Rei body kit. And I'm just popping by to see how he's doing. Hey.
What a fucking gong show this thing is to install.
Really?
Oh my god. I'm watching a YouTube video that's in Japanese
Oh my god.
on how to do it. But I've already cut it up, so it's fat.
So that's a lot of fiberglass.
I'm not a fan of fiberglass.
Yeah? Well, I think you're gonna hate it. So we kind of lucked out that David Ng is here from Toronto visiting because he's here for the motor show. And he's done a ton of the wide bodies in Toronto, including some of the Liberty Walks. What else have you done? Varus, pretty much everything. Rocket Bunny, everything you can think of. Pretty much. So we lucked out he's here. He's checking out this Spirit Rei body kit.
It was.
Oh, yeah, so this is different. You don't need this whole housing.
No.
So this is what I did on the Ben Sopra. So there are pieces like on, you know, like they have like that trunk piece?
Yeah.
Fuck. So his is like that. Oh, what a pain in the ass. Yeah, so the easiest way is literally to dissect this piece. You don't need this piece. Nobody uses this piece.
I know. Yeah.
So take it out. Take all the lights out because that's what it's designed for.
Just
right?
cut it up.
No, you don't need to cut anything. You got the
This
button.
is you know what this guy charges hourly for labor?
I don't ask questions anymore.
That's all you need. It'll be like this. There you go. That's one. So the buttons, you see how there's two little holes there? So the holes are actually for the button. The screw. So you don't use this piece. You don't need to cut this piece out. You don't need this. You just take it, just rerun the wire. It'll be fucking dangling. I mean, you've got enough bolts here, anyways.
Yeah. Well, I gotta drill into both in.
But I mean, you've got enough space here. It's not bad. I mean, it definitely bolts up.
Like I haven't watched the video yet, but I'm thinking that's what it is.
This is all out of skew, right? It's not sitting very flush. Like this piece should go all the way there. So there's the other. Okay, so try lifting the other side.
What's the key learning so far?
I hate fiberglass. I absolutely hate it.
Yeah.
It's definitely quite interesting, but it's very custom. That's for sure.
Yeah. Never fits right out of the box, right? So.
Yeah. I'm watching a YouTube video in Japanese. So that's a lot. How does it go? Literally, that's how I have to install. No, but it's actually really well built kit.
Yeah.
I have to say.
So you're satisfied?
Yeah. Yeah. There's definitely some body work, but that's what kind of happens with fiberglass and full body kits too. So.
Martin said he would stay here all night to help you get it installed.
Yeah.